Yo, what's up guys? This is Ryan Gaming here, back with another video. Today, I actually don't know what we're playing today. But first, before I say that, make sure to join this group. But most importantly, join this new Reaper Clan group that we're going to... Actually, it's not new, but like... The new group that we have. It's called Reaper Clan. My friend Austin, aka Sniper Shot, he's going to have a premiere at 5:30 today. Talking about it, I guess. So, yeah, today, actually, I have no idea what I'm going to play. Actually, let's play Build a Boat. Let's play Build a Boat. I haven't played that in a while. So, I have a few grinders. Mostly from Just ATC. I have all these grinders. I have an AFK grinder. I don't think I could do this. This is the wrong one. I don't think I could do it on my team, so I'm just not going to do it real quick. I'm going to load this grinder. Where is it? This grinder right here. I found from most of my grinders I found from Just ATC. So all I have to do is do that, launch, and then we're going to the end, which there's only one stage that loaded in, or one stage that's loading in the fire stage. So yeah, I'm not even probably gonna make it to the end. So yeah, it's all for nothing. I have another grinder that might be able to get us to the end. Also from SCC. So it's this jetpack grinder right here. So all I have to do is that. Then let me actually put this. So place a cake. It has to place a cake right there. Extend this all the way here. Then undo it all. And actually, since I'm on mobile, I can't use shift lock, so I have to go like this. So what I like to do, I like to select all. I like to make transparency max, so it actually looks more magical too. Looks like I'm just flying to the end. Because I basically am flying to the end. Here's Just ATC stage. So, here we are at the end. I have to use it in this chest. And boom! Oh, boom! We get gold. Probably not a lot of gold since we went through the stages pretty quick. And all the stages aren't loaded in, so yeah. What happened to all my gold? Wait, what? Oh yeah, I forgot. I spent all my... I made the dumbest decision ever. Just for the memes. I spent 15,000 gold on... what are these called? Force fields, or are they? That was a dumb mistake. But just for the memes, just for the memes. Then for real. This one, actually, no, we have to wait for all the stages to load in. Or else it will just fall off the map. Save. Let's see. What can we make that'll get us to the end? This one. Magnet grinders. There's a lot of magnet grinders here, actually. We're just gonna use this one though, in particular. So yeah, just flying to the end again. And wait, this one goes slow now? No, it goes pretty fast. Oh, I forgot about that stage, my dude. I hate the crystal stage. Isn't this stage like kind of new? just shooting pufferfish at me. I don't know when the stage came out, but I came back to Goodvote like a few weeks ago, and yeah, that stage was there. So yeah. So I don't think we could do any magnet grinders. Oh. Go. Yeah, you might not be able to do any magnet grinders. What is going on? Why am I wiggling so much? Am I wiggling side to side or something? Yeah, see, my magnet literally just came off. I'm gonna try to do the wheel one now, the one that I loaded, and I said we can't do that one. The stages might now be, oh yeah, most of the stages are loaded, so we now can do the wheel. Bro, the crystal and arcade stage, I don't really like. I mean, I like the arcade stage because it's games, and I'm associated with like arcade kind of. But they do a lot of damage to like magnet grinders and yeah, other grinders. Because like the arcade stage, they aim for the magnet, and then the crystal stage. What other stages? Yeah, but most of these stages. Most of the stages are fine, actually. What's going on? I'm on that. I'm not doing it. I'm not going correctly. Okay, let me reload the stage. I mean, not the stage. The boat. Because I hit a few rocks. Yeah. I think I've made it only like a few times on this. Usually because it's not like a full. Yeah, because like it always like tips over. How come the music isn't playing? Oh, never mind, it is. The classic music. It's iconic. So hopefully we don't hit too many rocks. Probably gonna hit a lot of rocks here though. Actually, no, we're chilling. We should be. Yeah, we just got moved a little bit by that. But it should be fine. Because obsidian is pretty strong. Wait, there's not even a lot of crystals in that stage. Alright, whatever. No, not this one. Bruh. Oh, I didn't get knocked over. Great. Oh, there's our other boat. I didn't get destroyed yet. We're basically almost to the end. I have to just go through this stage that I hate. What is... And I'm dead. We made it pretty far though. Yeah. Pretty far. This might get us to the end right here. I don't even know if it still works. I don't think this works anymore. It's the fluffy rock grinder. Yeah, see, it goes really slow. I'm gonna reset this. See, it's probably gonna get to the end. Or past the end, probably. There's also this one glitch. Or not glitch. Actually, no, it's a glitch. This also is a grinder, I think. Kind of like a grinder that glitches the game. So all I have to do is go on this. And then place a butter block. And I'm the wrong way. Okay. Actually, no, it's fine. It's fine. We're just turning. I think the first one got patched with all the like. What the heck? We made it to. It's just a crystal stage. I forgot about the crystal stage. I'm gonna do the jetpack grinder. So, there's a cake. Here. There. Now we can make it to the end. Hopefully we can. Oh no, we didn't really get hit much. Never mind. I'm just gonna wrap it up for that video. So make sure to join my Rainy Gamers group and mostly this group because yeah, why not? So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.